fabulous women, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, welcome. On this channel we are all about embracing timeless elegance, wellness and living our best lives. If that sounds like something you are into, don't forget to subscribe and join our wonderful community. Today I want to share 7 healthy habits that have truly transformed my life. These aren't just quick fixes. They are simple, sustainable habits that support both the mind and body. I have seen how they have helped me feel more balanced, energized and connected. And I know they will do the same for you. So grab a cup of tea, get comfortable and let's get started. Number 1, self-care. Let's start with self-care because it's the foundation of everything. It's about creating moments that make you feel good and cared for. Self-care isn't about pampering for the sake of it. It's about honoring yourself and recognizing your own value. When life gets busy, it's easy to put yourself last. But creating even the simplest rituals, whether it's using a favorite perfume, lighting a beautiful candle, or sitting with a cup of tea, can shift your mood and mindset. These moments of care and attention, no matter how small, help me recharge, reset, and step back into the world feeling refreshed. And honestly, I have come to see them as little gifts for myself. They keep me grounded and remind me that I'm worth the effort. Let's talk about mindset. It's where everything begins. How we think about ourselves and the world shapes so much of our experience. For me, focusing on positivity doesn't mean ignoring life's challenges. It means choosing to look for the good and being intentional about my thoughts. If I catch myself focusing on the negatives, I try to flip it. When something feels like a problem, I ask myself, is there a different way I can look at this? It's not about ignoring the tough stuff, but about staying calm and finding a way through. This little shift in mind, in how I think, really helps me handle tough moments and enjoy the good ones even more. So I also try to notice the small wins in my day, whether it's just finishing a task I've been putting off, or just enjoying a quiet moment or going for a walk. These little victories keep me motivated and remind me to celebrate progress, no matter how small it is. So now I see the sunshine and it just makes me happy. It's just the mindset that you should put on positivity and the life seems so much better. And when things don't go as planned, I remind myself that it's okay to pause, breathe and try again. A positive mindset doesn't mean being perfect. It means being kind to yourself and giving yourself grace to keep moving forward. It's a habit that takes practice, but the impact it has on your life is truly transformative. Now let's move on to healthy eating, a habit that fuels everything else. So for me, it's about keeping things as natural as possible. I love fresh, whole foods that make me feel good and energized without overthinking it. So simple food, not processed food. I try to include plenty of colorful fruits and vegetables, natural ingredients. I eat meat and fish and avoid processed foods. I also avoid soft drinks. They are unhealthy and I just don't buy them. Keeping it fresh and natural makes me feel energized and balanced. And yes, I enjoy treats now and then. It's all about balance. When it comes to food, I believe in enjoying what you eat and make it nourishing at the same time. And staying hydrated is another must for me. I always have a glass of water or herbal tea, like right now. So even now I'm enjoying this talk and chat with you, just having my wonderful herbal tea. It's such a simple habit, but it keeps me feeling my best. One thing I love is making it a bit more enjoyable by adding fresh mint, lemon slices, or even a little ginger to hot water. I drink it throughout the day, and it's both refreshing and delicious. For me, eating healthy isn't about being perfect, it's about creating a positive relationship with food and making choices that feel good for your body. You will be amazed at how much energy and focus you gain when you keep things simple, fresh and balanced. Let's talk about fitness and exercising, because moving your body is essential for both physical and mental health. For me, it's not about doing one specific thing, but finding what fits into my routine and keeps me feeling energized. I like to do 30 minutes walking at home, simple exercises, yoga or Pilates. Sometimes I go to the gym to use the treadmill or bike, and other times I will hop on the bike I have in my bedroom. It's so convenient, and I should do it more often. No matter what I choose, the important thing is staying consistent, which is hard, I know, for myself also. Exercise isn't just about staying fit, it's also about boosting those feel-good endorphins that make such a difference in your mood and energy. Keeping a regular routine is hard, but helps you stay balanced and ensures that moving your body is just part of your day. So whether it's stretching in the morning, a quick yoga session, or cycling at home, find what works for you and make it part of your daily routine. Your body and mind will thank you for that. Now let's talk about sleep, because it's the foundation for everything, of course. A good night's sleep is about much more than just rest. It's the time when your body and mind restore, leaving you ready to take on the next day with energy and clarity. I must admit, my bedtime routine isn't perfect. It's something I'm working on. I often spend my evenings scrolling through my phone or watching something, which I know doesn't help me relax properly. What does help me though is a pillow spray like this. I have it from Aurelia or from Jo Malone, with a calming scent and, for example, warm cup of bedtime tea. These small rituals make such a difference when I'm struggling to relax and calm. I've been trying to turn off screens earlier and stick to these calming habits, but it's still a work in progress. Keeping my bedtime consistent is another thing I aim for. It really makes mornings feel so much better. Good sleep isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. Remember that. When you prioritize this, you will notice how much more energy, focus and balance you have during the next day. Making sleep a priority is truly one of the best ways to support your overall well-being. It's something I am consistently reminding myself to improve, and I'm finding that even small changes can make a huge difference. Now let's talk about the people in our lives, because building meaningful relationships is one of the most rewarding things we can do. It's not just about having people around. It's about surrounding yourself with those who uplift, inspire, and truly care about you. I will admit I need to work on being more involved in my friendships. It's something I'm trying to improve. But with my family, I love staying close, celebrating holidays, cooking together, going out, doing things together, or simply spending time mean so much to me. Doing things with the people I care about always leaves me feeling more connected and grateful for those relationships and just happy. Another thing I found helpful is setting boundaries with relationships that drain your energy. It's okay to step back and focus on those that bring you positivity into your life. Doing this not only protects your peace but also gives you more space to strengthen the connection that truly matter to you. It can feel tough at first, but prioritizing your emotional well-being is an act of self-care in itself. Relationships are about give and take, celebrating each other's successes, being there in tough times, and creating memories together. Building these connections doesn't just bring joy, it's also so good for your mental health and helps you feel grounded, supported, and truly cared for and happy. Personal growth is all about finding ways to better yourself and expand your horizons. For me, learning is a constant part of my life. Even with a full-time job, I've thrown myself into YouTube, as you can see, which I absolutely love. There's so much to learn here. Creating content, finding new ideas, recording, editing and publishing, caring for the community. It's a journey of creativity and discovery. And outside of that, I've also started learning Spanish, exploring social media like TikTok and its trends, and finding ways to grow professionally also. I'm just naturally curious about so many things in my life, and I love challenging myself to try new skills and explore new opportunities. Every little step feels like progress and it keeps it exciting. Growth doesn't have to be overwhelming. It's about enjoying the process, celebrating your wins, and letting your curiosity guide you toward what's next. And when you embrace that mindset, personal growth becomes such a fulfilling part of your life. These are the 7 healthy habits that have made such a big difference in my life. Prioritizing self-care to recharge and feel valued. Cultivating a positive mindset to navigate challenges with grace. Embracing healthy eating by focusing on natural, balanced foods. Keeping my body moving with simple, enjoyable exercises. Making sleep a priority for better energy and clarity. Building meaningful relationships that uplift and inspire. Exploring personal growth by learning, exploring, and staying curious. I hope this inspires you to make your own changes, big or small. They are not about being perfect or making you feel overwhelmed. Instead, they are gentle shifts that can enrich your days and bring a sense of balance and elegance to your life. You don't have to change everything at once. Start small, find one habit that speaks to you and see where it takes you. Small steps can lead to big changes over time. Thank you so much for watching and spending time with me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more inspiration and tips. I would love to hear which habit resonated with you the most. Let's chat in the comments below.